Hello friends, let's learn alphabet. And we start from letter A. It is green. Let's search for it in the basket. These two letters are green, but they don't look like A. Whoa, here it is! A is for alligator. This is letter B and it is orange. This letter is orange, this one too. Here is letter B. B is for bear. Here is letter C. It is purple. I found one purple. That's not C. I found another one. That's exactly what we are looking for. C is for cat. This is letter D. It is red. These letters are red, but they don't look like D. Here is letter D. And it is for dog. That's how letter E looks like. And let's search for blue. This is blue, but not E. Oh, I found! E is for elephant. Next goes letter F. It is red. This letter is red, but it's not matching. This one is not. It's not matching as well. Here it is. F is for fox. Letter G, it is blue. And I found it right away. G is for goat. Letter H is upside down. Let's fix it and search for red. Not the one. Here is letter H. And it is for hedgehog. This is letter I. It is green. And I found it real quick. Here it is. I is for iguana. Letter J is orange color. Let's see. This is M. And here is J. J is for jaguar. Letter K. It is blue. Not the one. No. Yes. K. K is for koala. Letter L. It is orange. This is M. And this is L. L is for lion. Letter M is orange as well, and it's here on top. M is for monkey. Letter N is blue color. Let's see. This is orange. Oh, here is letter N, and it is for narwhal. Letter O looks like circle, and it is orange. These are not circles. Here, do you think it will match? No. Here is something orange. Yay! O is for owl. This is letter P. It is red. Let me look at the very bottom because these two are not matching. Here it is. P is for panda. Letter Q. This time we have to look for purple color. I see one purple, but it's not the one. Oh, here it is. Q is for quail. That's how letter R looks like. I can see just one blue letter, and this is what we are looking for. R is for rabbit. Letter S, it is green. Let's see how fast we can find it. One green, two greens. Oh, this is the one we're looking for. S is for snake. Letter T is also green. And we have only two green left. Which one do you think? Yes, that's the one. T is for turtle. Letter U is purple. Let me pick all the purple ones and you tell me which one is correct. You think right, left, in the middle? Here's the right answer. U is for unicorn. Letter V is purple. We have only two purple ones. Right or left? Of course, left. And V is for vulture. Letter W is red, and I can see it right away. W is for wolf. Letter X is green, and that's the only one green left. X is for X-ray fish. Oh wow, look at this! My basket is almost empty. There are just two letters left. Letter Y is purple. Y is for yak. Letter Z is red, and it's the last one. Z is for zebra. Excellent work! Thank you for watching! And don't forget to subscribe!